if we fast forward to somebody who is not in retirement yet, they're now in retirement, or somebody's currently in retirement or approaching retirement, what to do with all the time that you have?
Exactly. People are thinking it will be nice. I will have time for my hobbies, for my grandchildren. But during your second act, you have spent 10, maybe 14 hours a day in work, and then maybe 1 or 2 hours with your family. Now you have all that time for yourself, for months, years, maybe decades. So you must be pretty clear what to do with them. You can devote some time to your grandchildren and spouse, some time to traveling, but if you do any of these activities without the overall purpose, they become boring, and so you have to discover your purpose. And it is, as you said, highly individual. I cannot provide any short wisdom now. It's highly individual. Everyone has to discover it for themselves.